Did you hear about the storm warning? They said it's gonna be bad. I did. Don't worry, we'll get through it together. I saw the forecast. It's supposed to be a really big storm tonight. I hope everyone is ready for it. I just don't like being here knowing they're alone. I keep thinking something could happen. Yes, hello, connect me to my wife. It's urgent.
Hi, honey. How are you? Is everything okay?
The storm is hitting. Close all the windows, now. Stay inside. I'm leaving the office, I'm coming home.
Don't worry, honey. Just be careful on the way back, okay? We'll see you soon.
Thanks, boss. Really appreciate it. Gotta run, my family needs me. Wow. Wow, that is really blowing. This wind is unbelievable. I need to go to the supermarket now to get food and water for my family. Unbelievable! Look at this crowd. There are so many people here. How am I gonna find anything? Okay, breathe. I can do this. I can't believe it. Everything's just completely gone. I don't know what we're gonna do.
Oh!
No milk, no eggs, nothing left. I need some water, so I'm gonna take 4 of these big bottles. We need bread and these canned foods. They don't go bad quickly, which is why I'm getting a few. I need this flashlight. My little boy gets scared if the power goes out. This should help. Oh, batteries. I almost forgot those. Perfect, exactly what we needed. Good thing I remembered. You see, candles like these give us light when the electricity isn't working. You gotta be kidding me. Look at this line. It's miles long. We'll be here all night. I've been waiting here forever. This line is so slow. I wonder what Leo and Mom are doing right now. Finally, it's our turn.
That'll be $42.50.
Perfect, here you go.
Thanks. Have a great day.
Please work just one time.
Transaction approved.
Yes, thank you. I knew it would work.
You get home safe now?
Thank you very much, I will. This wind is unbelievable. It's even stronger than they said. I really need to take this bus. Look, the stop is right there.
They said cancel. That means they've stopped all the buses. How are we supposed to get home?
I only have 5% battery. Can I still call a taxi? Hello? No taxis! Are you serious? My family is waiting. What are we gonna do? I have to do this. They're waiting for me. I'll walk home no matter how long it takes. I'll be there. I'm walking as fast as I can, Leo. Just thinking about your smile gets me there even faster. Oh no, I felt something. There are raindrops hitting my face. It's starting to rain. You see how it's not just raining? This is pouring, like someone's emptying buckets from the sky. That's what pouring rain means. The rain is coming down so hard. I'm completely soaked, but I just have to keep going, no matter what.
Oh, thank goodness. I can see our building. Just a little further, I'm almost home.
I'm inside. The rain's crazy. I'm running to the elevator now. I'll be there soon. Hang on.
I have to get to the 4th floor right now. That's where my family is. They're waiting for me. I'm home. I'm so glad to be home.
Daddy! Oh, Leo, I missed you so much.
It's okay, little one. Daddy's here. You're safe now. Don't worry, everything will be all right. I've got you.
Oh, thank goodness you're home. We were so worried.
I know, I'm sorry I'm late.
I'm just so glad you're safe. You're soaking wet. You need to change right now.
Sorry, honey.
Go on, now. Okay,
Okay.
okay.
Daddy is all well wet like a fish.
I look like a wet fish, right? Looks like I need to change.
Oh dear.
He does. I feel so much better now that I've changed into some dry, warm clothes.
All right, we've got the large water bottles, canned food, bread, the black flashlight, candles, and batteries. We are prepared.
Cookies, cookies. Stars. Thank you, Daddy.
Thank you.
I love them.
Yes, of course I got your favorite cookies, Leo.
Yay.
We can have them after dinner.
Okay. Yes, okay. I will wait until after dinner. I promise.
Good boy. Now run along and play until then.
All right, that's one. I checked all the windows. They're closed very tight now. Safe and sound in here.
Oh, 2%. I caught it just in time. The sky is completely black and it's only 6 o'clock.
Oh,
Something isn't...
something isn't right.
Why is it so dark? Do you hear that? The wind is really howling out there now. That means it's blowing very hard, making a loud, scary noise.
Mr. Bear, look! We did it! What's that noise? It's too loud! It's too loud! I don't like it! Please make it stop!
Don't worry, sweetie. It's just the rain on the window. We're safe in here.
Oh, okay, Dad. That's good.
Don't worry, Leo. It's just the lights.
I know, honey. Stay close.
I'll fix it.
Sometimes lights do that in a big storm, Leo. It's okay.
It's okay. It's okay? Look at this, Dad. It goes really fast.
That is amazing, buddy. I love it.
Mommy! Mommy! Daddy! Daddy, I'm scared! I'm so scared! Come back! Come back!
Leo, hold on, buddy. I'm right here. Where's that light? Just a second. Stay still. Got it. Here we go. Don't worry. I've got you. Here's the light.
See? I told you it would work. We have light now. Everything's gonna be okay, Leo. Hey, look! I've got a bunny hopping. Whoa, 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 whoa.
Look at that! It's a bunny! Oh, I can do better! Wow! Daddy, make a bird next, okay?
Look, the bird is flying. Flap, flap, flap. Faster now. Swoop. And a soft landing.
Look, Mommy! Look what Daddy is making! A bunny!
Isn't that silly, son?
Wow! The sky is so bright like a camera flash! Look at that, it's so cool!
Oh my God! Did you see that? There's a huge tree that fell down on the street. It's enormous.
Look at all that damage. That means things are broken, and it will take time to fix. You know, what a long and scary day it was, but we are all safe and together now, and that's truly all that matters to me. And that is the end of today's story. I really hope you and your family enjoyed it.